Hey everybody, welcome back. I have some more Bowman's Best. You know, I was opening a ton of it when it first came out because the price was good, but the price has now gone up quite a bit, so I had to cool my jets. But I did get a pretty substantial eBay bucks amount this quarter, and I used it to get this box. It didn't cover the entire box, but it covered a good bit of it and allowed me to get one more Bowman's Best. Yeah, the price on this is up, wow, by like, in some cases, $50, but it's, yeah. And I get it. It's a really good rookie class, and you get 4 autographs, and there's just some really crazy stuff that can come out of this, and I've done very well with it. Honestly, I've been opening a couple of opening a couple of boxes and making a couple of videos for you guys today, and my luck overall has been really crappy. So I just wanted to throw that out there so you can keep it in mind when we go through this box and see if the crap continues or if the tide turns and I'm able to salvage this day, because this is the last box. I saved it for last, and I hope it treats me well, because I'm feeling a little bit beat up from all these other boxes that I opened, and they were so bad. You'll see. I'll post those videos too, whether they're good or bad. I'll post it all. I mean, in general, I think I have, sorry, I'll make sure I have all the packs. I think I have pretty good luck with opening boxes overall. But boy, there are sometimes, some days are just, oof. Makes you wish you'd just kept your money in your pocket. Alright. Well, we have Glaver at the top, so I call that a pretty good start. Francisco. Justin Williams, early indications. There's a Soto, power producers. Good looking card. I love those. And a Justin Upton refractor. Oh, you thought you were going to fall on my hand, didn't you? I didn't allow it this time. What you think about that? Carlos Carrasco, Vertigo rookie. Kingery rookie. Justin Williams is the first autograph. Tampa Bay, and then a Goldie refractor. Alec Bohm, Ryan Weathers, another prospect. Roger Clemens, best performers. Ooh, a Jared Kalenic, power producers atomic. That's a beauty. A good looking card, although I don't think he's with the Mets anymore. That's a shame, because I love the Mets. And Noah Syndergaard refractor. Brendan McKay. Looks like we have another atomic back there. Alec Thomas. Yeah, we do. Alec Bohm. Good looking card. And then we have a JP Crawford purple rookie to 250 and Travis Swaggerty refractor. Two atomics, that's cool. Altuve, George Springer, a blue JP Crawford to 150. Wish these were better rookies, these colored cards. Connor Scott is autograph number 2. And Michael Kopech refractor. So, I'm still on a bad roll. Neither one of those autographs were much good. Dustin Fowler rookie. Clayton Kershaw. Adames, best performers rookie. Jaron Kendall, early indications. And a Justice Sheffield refractor. So that is box 1. My luck is still crap. I don't know. I mean, I guess those atomics are pretty cool, but you know what I mean as far as hits go. Now, when you see the video of me opening a couple of these other boxes for today, you're gonna see what I mean. It's been rough. I thought I got cuts and bruises. It's been a rough day. I've actually got some more stuff coming via UPS later today. I'm not even sure I'm gonna open it. I'm usually not good at being patient, but considering my luck today, I think I might better just hold out and wait till tomorrow and start over. And yes, I am superstitious like that. Very superstitious. Alright. Groshans, Mitch Keller, Joe Adele, Anthony Rizzo, Power Producers, and Eddie Rosario Refractor. Mookie, Chris Davis, he's on a tear right now. JD Martinez, Ethan Hankins is the third autograph, a little bit better. And Carlos Correa, refractor. Freddie Freeman, Romero, rookie. Brian Anderson, rookie. Florial, best performers, and Andrew McCutcheon, refractor. Benintendi, there's Acuna. Whit Merrifield, Tatis Jr. early indications, and a Corey Kluber refractor. Clinic, Tatis Jr., Austin Riley, Liberatore autograph. Wow, my luck is terrible. It is, I mean, he's not like terrible, but wow, not even like one good autograph. Didi Gregorius, and none of those were refractors or anything. They're all just base autos. Jordan Adams, Adamas Ramirez, Hoskins, best performers, and Segura refractor. Wow. I don't even know what to say. I feel like I've been through hell and back today. And it's still early too. It's a really rainy, ugly day. I probably should know not to open boxes on a day like that. My mood's probably not as good. Probably putting out bad mojo. Liberatore, Ethan Hankins, Connor Scott, The Clinic. I had to set that aside. I don't know why I put that with the hits, and Justin Williams. Woof. Alright. That's it. Hey. Oh man, I so hoped to go out with a bang with this Bowman's Best. Although, you know what? I may end up with another box eventually. We'll see. Hope you're all doing well. I'll be back with my next break again very soon. Bye-bye.